Hail Africa. Hail the whole world. Hail Nigeria personally. Hail Edo State. The topic of today is about the police. PFL. The armed robber of our time. The police people. Una no get sense. Even I get sense, una not supposed to arrest person when they suffer. The police people, I'm telling you about the truth now. TRUTH. Now no go believe me. Una mind go think say na lie they talk. Children when go suffer, when go they suffer, they go. They looked at the Africa, the Nigeria government are not helping them. They went to the neighboring countries, neighboring villages to go and make their money. On the long run, when they came to Nigeria, then you will now be asking them a question. Where do you have money to buy a car? Where do you have money to be enjoying yourself? Is it Nigeria money? Policeman, federal government, IG, are you not having the good sense to talk to your family, to tell them that all these children that went to the different about this country to go and be suffering, to go and work their brain to make their life all right for the long run? The petty trader policemen, all those kind, the bouquet police, when we say I just give gun, shoemaker I'll give a gun, tailor I'll give a gun, hairdresser I'll give a gun, make they terrorize our youth. Whereby all those people when they thief money, better our leaders when they steal our Nigeria money. Una go see the guide them. Now they guide them robber. Policeman. Make una cool down. I'm sick and tired of na bastard matter. I dey surprised when I drive the car for my yesterday. I see one policeman come carry one boy they ride one jeep. I don't even know the name because I don't care about the jeep. I'm caring about my masses. I'm caring about my masses. Then they ask the boy, say, what did they happen? Say, where you get money to buy motor? What it concern you? Where that boy get money to buy motor? Why you no go ask Obaseki? Where get money to buy convo? Why you no go ask Itura? Where get money to buy convo? Why you no go ask Ubesia? Where get money to buy convo? Why you no go ask useless Buhari? That bastard president? Where get money to buy convo? You can't go to hold all those our small boys when they hustle. They go to be labor. When they find the water chop, they say we're not good. We don't destroy the country. We don't steal the money for tank. We don't carry the money go everywhere. All those boys now, we not go send a Malaysia boy, send a ritualist, say the boy go carry money come. Policeman go come carry gun. I was so surprised. I was so surprised. Are they surprised for police? Are they surprised for police? I hate police. Policeman, if you want to do me good thing, go and arrest you to the enemy first. Our money they tank for Arwe. If you are strong, you will not do that. You will not do that. You will not go and hold Fashola, the armed robber, when steal our money. You will not do that. You will not go and hold Amechi, when we say the whole river state, the quarter say, is scatter their land. You will not go and hold them. Any small boy just say, in the right small motor they pass because government give you license. Shoemaker police, tailor police, you will not know anything. You just ask the boy, say, make you give you your phone. Now your papa buy the phone for her. I beg done the phone in her. Now your papa buy the phone for that boy. When you go somewhere for Germany, somewhere for Holland, somewhere for Spain, somewhere for New York, somewhere for everywhere, somewhere for even different country, Kenya. So even our brother and ourselves, we are trading with our suffering. We are trading with our suffering. We want to go to black man country, giant of Africa, Nigeria, home of West, where people say those days, when would they small picking? When would they enjoy? When we say Macmillion, now we read for free. Today, they say private school, private school, private school. What is private school? Tell me what is private school. I hate you people. You people are bastard. They will say to the abuse. Now abuse me my name because any person who is no good, I go abuse them. If you are an IG of a police, learn how to tell your squad that they should not be terrorizing the youth. youth. The youth are suffering. The youth managed to go to they have followed the Mauritanian Sea. Some people have crossed their life, do or die 50-50 to go and survive. When they survive, then on the long run, they manage to come to their hometown, their homeland. You now people, police, POLICE, una going to disgrace them. Are they surprised? Are they mama the verse? Is that the way you want to act and take care of your citizen? Now that one make we carry you go to police school. Just reason to your mind. Small boy go just the right card, the pass. Policeman go come hold am. Go the ask and say, where you see money to buy car. You know if we go ask Obasanjo when sees our farm, OFM, Operation Feed the Nation farm, where you see money to maintain that farm. Is it not Nigerian money? Small boy when they suffer, policeman. Your topic is a police today. If IG have a good mind, if IG want to help us, let's filter the police. SARS go to fight people for streets. Are they surprised that day? One policeman stay for Okada. He sees Okada because of 150 naira. And the guy say he they pay 100 naira before. Policeman say he must add 15 naira for Nigeria, giant of Africa. You are the lowest of Africa. I hate you people. If policeman no get sense with the youth, with the God children, we will tell you people that we don't even need police because now be the corruption, now they spoil the country now they give them rubber gun, make it the rob now. If to stay, if no be now, why una no fit go hold the better people when steal Nigerian money? Small boy will just go suffer for Malaysia, they go suffer for Kenya, go suffer for Egypt, go suffer for Kuwait, go suffer for different Africa countries, go suffer for different Europe. Come to Nigeria, then we are going to punish them. Small boy now just touch and dress, buy motorway suffer for. You know how many police don't drive van? You know how many suffer don't suffer for different countries? You can't come to your own land, now still the intimidator. Now not feel intimidate the Muhammadu Buhari when they steal our money. Now don't feel intimidate Saraki when we say senior president will destroy the nation. I'm telling you today, leave my brothers alone, especially Esan Seho. I don't care. I'm caring about Benin. Let the Yoruba ma do it, let Iboma do it, let Hausa ma do it, let the South do it. But my people, my brothers, when they suffer, we have no water, we have no good roads, we have no company. My brothers will go to the white man village to go and suffer, to make their money. Some are dying, some are suffering. Then when they by mistake come back with their small thing, policeman, go just call they hold them for nothing sake. I hate them. I don't like them. Tell that policeman, I want especially to the commissioners of the police. Tell your squad when they send to her. I'm not saying nobody they send them. I'm not saying that they do illegal work. That they do illegal protection. Nobody they send them for that work. But I want you to know, any policeman when they catch for illegal, as soon as say traffic, traffic now offense. Policeman when they do illegal work, what is being a still offense now. Policeman when they don't say na work, when they do them, not be offense. Yes or no? I'm talking to you. I don't care about your fucking stupid name. Because you are a party person, you are working with the fucking bastard APC, Aboki People's Congress, Armed Robber Party. Party when they tell us they will help us on the long run, they call cheat us. We say PDP no good. We go bring Aboki. Now Aboki now was pass. Aboki have destroyed the nation. Aboki has scattered the nation. Aboki is punishing us. Who is Aboki, by the way? Sleeping up Buhari president, Muhammadu Buhari. I'm warning you right now. Although I don't say I can die at any time. Death is inevitable. But if I die in a good hand, I will love it. But if I die in a devil hand, I will hate it. I don't like devil. Devil they learn. Buhari, you are a devil. If you are a good Nigeria, tell your presiding officer police to leave our youth alone. We not be armed robber. They know the thief. They know the steal. They just go to the another man's village, another man's country, to go and hustle their money. When we say their family go to enjoy on the long run, una go they arrest them. I just say they surprised when I come that day. I see say Stacey ID come. One small boy when not do anything. They say they press button. What if we button? You know they press arm rubber button. Are you not the man that is stealing Nigerian money? Are you not the thief? Are you working? Tomato Senobla. I want lay. You will never hear because now be the government. Policemen when they arrest ordinary commodities, small boys now. Now they see the guide now. They go say now politician. Politician get swag. You won't be say government last year, they give a gun. May they protect the nation. You they protect and brother. You they happy. Policeman go they happy. Go they say now my boss, now my boss. Who is your boss? Who is your boss? Political armed robbers. Who is your boss? Political stupid people. Political inhumanus. Political dagonizer. Political dictator. Political. I don't know what to tell them. I'm sick and tired of the bastard. I'm sick and tired of people. I'm sick and tired, sick and tired, sick and tired. I don't know what to say again. What will you do for the nation to be all right? Leave the youth alone. You remember Nelson Mandela in South Africa? He said, hey, Nelson Mandela, give us all freedom. We want to live majestically in Africa. Africa leaders. Africa leaders. What is cooking? People are destroying the nation. I did that day, they say Obaseki, that dictator governor of Edo State. Oshomola did not practice this way. We went to Italy. You go to deport our brothers. Why you not go Libya? Why you not wait to make you go to white man village? Are you a white man? Obaseki, are you a white man? Obaseki, Ebo wehi, Oyibo wehi pa. What's your woman are you Libya? You know come a Libya dictator. Ni azi we mabo. What is happening? The besides of they do traffic, they put up for 210J. Which work you give your brothers as a governor of the state? You will not be aware any you work your see the small scale industry. When you don't do, when we say any person when they carry for Italy come, when they carry for Germany come, when they carry for Holland come, when they carry for Austria come, when they carry for different Africa country or Europe country, what they go do? Have you ever do commodities you enter power Obaseki? Obase Oyi. You know name be Obaseki. You are a dictator. If you want to help us, I know you are hearing me. APC, Aboki People's Congress. We say PDP no go, we go bring APC. Oh, now APC, now it was the pass. PDP, una spoilo. APC, una worst. Una worst now. That time when we say PDP no good, everybody say yes, we don't change. We don't see change. Obaseki, you know what you do for us? Tell your police people, all those your guide now, when they guide you with gun, you reach to guide gun with, who be you by the way when you guide gun? You won't be Dakota secretary, you won't be paper writer. When no baby, okay, God don't opportunity, somebody don't give you flag. You know, fear people, you won't be Leonard man. You are telling everybody now not to, we are suffering. Are we enjoying in Edo State? I don't talk to Tim Awadi by now. If I wrong, again, you are bullying. I'm here by everywhere scatter. Obaseki go do. What you make me vex? Obaseki can go Italy. Obaseki, Obase, you are not ashamed. Aboki People's Congress. No wonder you be Osama Boko Haram family. Down Urubaka Shegi. Obaseki, they warn you. I'm warning you. If you want to help us in Edo State, let God be in your mind. Give us job opportunity. Since you enter power now, we don't see anything when you do. Now, so billion with the year. Say, this one don't bring billion. This one don't bring billion. This one don't bring billion. What have you ever produced for the state? What is your contribution about the state? You're going to meet the chief priest, the Catholic Church. You go to, no, they help you carry money, go to Europe now. I help you carry money, go to all over the world. Are you not ashamed of yourself Obaseki? Obaseki. Ah, Obase Oyi. Lawo. Edegbe we mi no se egberi o, no sa do agu egbe o. O se amuja no ma de. We wewe ma hu e mo se. Emi no gwalu mie, ebo de. Ebo ado kwo yan do ri. Edo wo pa na imegbe. O ma na we mi no se ka e. E boss wo yan lele. Wa we mi no se ka e. Emi na mi wa gbona ya wa leluwe. O shobole try pass you na. I know say you be deaf and dumb because deaf and dumb na mugu. Deaf and dumb go scatter the land. When you come, when they campaign for you, you become Oswald. You don't even talk Obaseki. Obaseki, you go Italy. You go tell the Prime Minister, say that they deport our brother. Which work you want to give them for this nation? Which work you want to give them for those states? Give me the work now. Tell me the work. If you tell me the work, I will call my brothers that is in the Europe to come to the state to come and be hustling. Do you have any work? When you don't drive Agbelo, drive everybody, drive even. And have you ever paid teachers since you enter power? We say I teach us. Umay teacher usa. Nuwaya rau. Nusaya lukidon asonwe. Umay revi no ma. Wado awa popori. You the crazy on the land. You say if you're governor of Edo State, you are a governor of your village. If you are a governor of Edo State, you must make job opportunity. Tell your police people, may they only arrest our brothers, the youth, when we say they're only government when they suffer. I've said my own. I'm still talking about the police. I know Obaseki will be listening to me now. I know any time from now he will try to put me in the prison. If I go to prison, I will come back. If I die in the prison, God is aware of my case. I don't work with devil. I know you are a devil. Your devil will not lead me to anywhere. God will lead me to anywhere because I love God more than you. Because if you are God, you would have done something what Napoleon could not do. Do you read the Bible that says, what shall it profit a man and lose his own soul and gain the whole world? See, Ekpo Mana, policemen, they terrorize them. They'll say, now stay here. They don't even reach that command. The zonal command officials say, oh. They go just go arrest any innocent man. They say small boy just buy motor like Venza, like G-Wagon, like all those kind of healers, like all those kind of lessons. Policeman go just the whole now for the sake. What did they do now? Why they not go hold you Obaseki himself, Obasa Oyi, and brother for our time? Why they not go hold you when they buy motor, different motor? Policeman himself when they hold us, go see they guide you. Go see they guide you. Oh God of Nazareth. Is that the way you want to heal us? You just come now in those states. You just come to those states upside down. People they laugh for you now. They clap for you. They say it too much. They say now, Aboki people call those kind of pieces stupid people. Then they hear you now. PD people now when we say they be used that way, they fight you. Now una spread the nation. Una be God the Father, not be the Son. We are the Son. We are the youth. Una be the God the Father. As una say, PDP, APC. Now be the same pari pasu. PDP steal money. APC go say they want to retrieve the money. APC carry the money again. They put that for tank. They don't still release them. They carry the Suki money, the season. Fire share money, the season. Many people for this our nation. We not join now. We not join Aboki People's Congress. Yeah, Buhari regime. They don't respect her. When I seize the whole money, now on the shame. Now on the shame. Now on the shame. APC. See you now. Now the shame. I see the country now. See a whole Libya now. Libya is killing the whole black Africa. Sudan president come both say right now, as I stand before you now, if they don't leave Africa, say they go rebel them. Wait till Buhari don't contribute about black fighting black under duress. See Malina no carry all the people come. Nigeria, Buhari, Muhammadu Ambroba. Muhammadu Boko Haram. Muhammadu Boko Haram. They used to have Boko Haram now. They say if you pursue person, reach war. If you pursue God, reach war. If you don't see you go fight you now. How many they fight you now? Now you take fight good Lord Jonathan regime now. Nobody take fight good Lord Jonathan regime. On the long run, they don't reach your turn now. Now, what you go do now? What you go do? See your brothers that are dying in another mass country. Muammar Gaddafi land, a Gaddafi of our time, the God. Africa God, the man that don't want people to suffer. Now come carry UN, may they go kill him. America. America kill Gaddafi. Gaddafi is late. Una go remember Gaddafi. Una must remember Muammar Gaddafi. A man when they pay in all citizen every month ending. A man when they only write Benjo for a land. Nigeria will borrow the tire, say for everywhere. Benjo. We don't know if he buy pan. Gaddafi was not like that. Now you Africa organization to the UN, America. Una say Gaddafi because of oil. Una kill Muammar Gaddafi. Gaddafi is late. Today now, black and black is fighting themselves. Now we say make Oyibo they go, Oyibo don't go. Black and black then they fight. Now we say make Oyibo discharge, Oyibo don't discharge. Black and black then they fight. Black and black are killing themselves. Is that good? My color is very glitter. We are glitter machine. Oyibo if you hold, you go fall. We know they fall. We go strong. We are. Oh God of Nazareth, I'm sick and tired for these people. I don't know what to say again. What will I say? What will I say about the Africa bad leader? See Mugabe that day. Many years when you don't spend for power. You don't take for power, you don't want rest. And they work pariwo. Are you the highest in the whole earth? Must you not allow you to reign? Thank you. That is my end of my story today. I know as I don't talk this one, huh? That bastard Obaseki, that stupid Obaseki. People will say me how they abuse them. People will comment to me say, why would they abuse them? Why abuse them? Why not go abuse them? When we say, oh, Nigeria, in the whole continent, no water to drink. No good electricity. When I was a child, I experienced a light. When Murtala Muhammad, Tafawa Balewa, Nnamdi Azikiwe, they were ruling. He came by himself. We were in the power. We were having light in the all over Nigeria. But since we are dictator, like Obasanjo. Obasanjo bring us our farm, our farm with Tifo. That OFM operation for the region for our own. Nigeria bon Kretamo. Buhari, you were there that time, huh? When they created that farm. Now you know if you collect that for Obasanjo. This is our farm. Farm we say we can't say we're hungry. Say this is carry one Nigeria. Push kata for the master, do Christ answer. God is true. If I die, my message will not die. Life goes on. Coco for the man. Bye bye to Jaga. Life goes on. Do finish it for me. People they quite well. Something coming. About for you, the government going there again. But one day they will blow. No, that is inevitable. You can call it the task of death. Where am I to go?